Customary measurement is based on the English system, and this is what we normally use in the United States. It uses inches, feet, yards, and miles. Here is a good chart to use to convert between the units. First, we see that 1 mile is equivalent to 5,280 feet. The abbreviation for mile is an M, and most of the time you measure miles on the odometer of your car. The next unit is a yard. A yard is equivalent to 3 feet. The abbreviation for yard is YD, and you use a yardstick or a tape line to measure in yards. Our next unit of measurement is 1 foot, which is equivalent to 12 inches. The abbreviation for foot is FT, and we use a ruler or a yardstick to measure feet. And our smallest unit of measurement then is the inch. The abbreviation is an IN, and we use a ruler to measure in inches. Here are a few examples of the units of measurement. A baseball bat is about a yard long. A sheet of paper is about 12 inches, which is also 1 foot long. And a small paper clip is about 1 inch long. So let's practice converting some units of measurement. The first one I see is 48 inches equals blank feet. Well, I know that there are 12 inches in 1 foot, and 12 times 4 is 48. So 48 inches must equal 4 feet. The next one I see is 5 yards equals blank feet. I know that there are 3 feet in 1 yardstick, so 5 yardsticks would be 5 times 3, and 5 times 3 is 15, so that would be 15 feet. Next, I see that 6 feet equals blank inches. Again, I know that there are 12 inches in 1 foot, so 6 feet, 6 times 12 is 72. 6 feet would equal 72 inches. Next, 9 feet equals blank yards. I know that there are 3 feet in 1 yardstick. So if I have 9 feet, then 9 divided by 3 is 3. So I would have 3 yards. My next problem is 72 inches equals blank yards. Well, I know that there are 36 inches in 1 yardstick. So 72 divided by 36 is 2. So 72 inches would equal 2 yards. Next, I see that 1 yard equals blank inches. Well, I know that there are 36 inches in 1 yardstick, so 1 yard equals 36 inches. And the last one, 2 miles equals blank feet. I know that there are 5,280 feet in 1 mile, so 2 miles would equal 10,560 feet. Let's look at another problem. Susan bought a spool of ribbon 9 yards long. She's going to make hair bows that are each 12 inches long. How many hair bows can she make? Well, first I'm going to convert the yards to feet. 9 yards, each yard is 3 feet long, so 9 times 3 is 27. 9 yards is 27 feet. And I know that 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. And each of Susan's hair bows are going to be 12 inches or 1 foot. And the spool is 27 feet. So Susan will be able to make 27 hair bows.